So this routine is really great for eye strain. We're going to open this whole bone around the eye. So just take your finger and feel for it. So you can feel the edge just above here, just under your eyebrow. And in the side, there's like a little space where the two bones come together. And then there's a lower bone here. So that's what we're going to trace. And this is going to be a quickie to just give you some relief and open up the eyes. So you're going to take the ball right by the bridge of the nose and underneath. So you're going to put it about right there, then there, then there. So we're going to take that ball, lift up. So you grab the bone and lift up. And then you're going to take it halfway out, on and under that bone, and lift up. You might even feel your eyelid come a little bit with it. You don't want to grab your eyelid, but you might feel it come a little bit. And then you're going to take it right there and lift on the corner. You'll also be on the edge of the frontal bone. And even just that gives you relief. Now, you're going to take the space right at the corner of the eye, and you're going to let the ball just place right there and gently sink in. And then you're going to shift the direction in. So you just slide it gently in towards the corner of the eye. Not real hard into the eyeball. And you're going to shift your eyes to the right and left and right and left with your eyelids closed. In towards the ball, out towards the nose. Then you're going to take the ball and you're going to come with the bone underneath. First, we're going to press down a little bit, then lift up and gently into the eye. Look up and down again. Look a little bit diagonally into it. Then take it a little bit closer to the nose and slide up. So first spread down. I'm right on that cheekbone. Then I'm going to hold the skin underneath here and gently slide in towards the eye. Again, not putting a lot of pressure in there. You're going to look up to the right and down to the left. And then in from the center up, down. And then let's take this into the nose, grab this bone underneath, and just give a nice spread out. So take it out so it's like in line with the middle of the eye. And just take a pause there. It's a good place to just wait on these bones. And slowly, you can see how I'm spreading with the ball. And I'm just going to take it right out towards the ear and spread. And then let's just lift these three spots again, right under the bone. Lift, lift, and lift. And you'll feel that just immediately gets rid of the strain in your eyes. It makes it feel wider. Actually, it feels just like I actually can see a little better. So now you have to do the other side. So we're going to take the ball right here at that first spot, right by the bridge of the nose. Here first, here second, here third on the edge. So first spot. So you sink under the bone and lift. Breathe. Find the second spot. Try to grab under the bone. Try not to grab your eyelid and lift. Find the outer edge of the bone. Place the ball there, sink and lift. We're going to find that space right between the corner of the eye. Place it there, gently press in, then gently slide in towards the eye. Shift left, shift right, shift left, shift right. And we're going to go under the eye, finding the bone here, here, and here. So find the edge and gently, so first press down a little bit. That'll help you. Even hold the cheek and then spread up a little bit. Take it halfway out, spread down. Hold that cheek and spread up and in towards the corner of the nose, and then you're going to go up and gently into the eye. Do the rotations up and down, go under again, up, down, and take it off for a second. Now we're going to go right into the bridge of the nose and spread right out that cheekbone to the ear. So spread in towards the nose, grab the bone and spread. And take it out you're rolling it, not sliding it. Taking it out a little bit further. Wait here on this spot. This is a great spot to wait. And widen it out. And widen it out. And spread out the ear. And then one more time, the 3 spots. Lift. Lift. And lift. And feel how relaxed your eyes feel.